Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. All right, this week let's talk boondocking, but instead of me just talking about boondocking, I'm going to introduce you to Tony. All right.
Hey, Todd.
Hey,
how
are you?
I'm doing great.
Good. I'm going to change my voice now.
Why is that?
I don't know. I was way down here. You were up here.
Oh, well, that's because you're much larger than I am.
Yeah, you should see the solar panels.
Right.
Hey, I brought you on because we got some people asking questions about boondocking, and why not go ahead and bring on an expert, talk a little bit about boondocking.
Well, how much time do we have?
We got 2 minutes starting now.
All right. Well, one of the most important things is to go ahead and scope out your site first. This is something that we've been kind of, we really messed up a few times because we would travel down and then find out that, wow, we're 3 miles into this trail and there's nowhere to turn around and there's nowhere to camp. So what we've done in the past is we would park our Class A, unhook our Jeep, and then go scope it out. Or if you have a fifth wheel, dump the fifth wheel and then go scope it out with the truck. Now, when we bought a drone, we got even smarter and we actually would just send the drone up and then go find a spot, because some of these places are really tight, and that's what we like. We like to go out and be away from everybody, and
So I'll tell you a different way. We like tight spaces.
yeah. And one of the most important things is to make sure that when you go out there, you'll find a spot, and if you can't find a spot, be able to turn around and get out. So scoping out the place is really important.
Yeah, especially when you have a big 43-foot fifth wheel, 20-foot truck, you're trying to bring that in. You're saying upwards of 3 miles to actually find a spot. How much would that suck? You get in there and you find out you've got no place to turn around.
That's right. Now, there's a couple sites that there's a couple apps that you can download. Our favorite one is Campendium because it's user reviewed. And so we would go in there, set the amount that we want to spend each night to free, and you'll see a lot of the BLM, and you may see some Corps of Engineers and stuff. But the cool thing is you click on the site where you want to go and you'll see all the reviews, and if somebody's having an issue finding a spot, or they say, wow, this is really, the terrain is be careful, you're not going to get a 40-footer in there. We've found some where we have a 33-footer and we put those airbags where we can lift the back up, and there was still some hills where you're going up and you're grinding the back of the rig, and all the scratches down the side of the rig is because of the tight spots. So,
all right, so you threw out a phrase there that I think we may have to clarify. You said BLM.
Oh, the Bureau of Land Management. Oh. Yeah, so that is...
Man, I was going to hit that hot button issue.
Right, no.
So.
But, yeah, Bureau of Land Management.
Yeah.
That's our land. That belongs to us.
This is your land.
And this is our land. Yeah. From, I don't know the song.
Something to California.
Right, from here to there.
Yeah.
Mostly in the West. You're going to find a ton of BLM in the West. In the East, it's going to be a little harder to find. But
there are some COE out there. But.
Yeah, some core, and those are really inexpensive. And a lot of times you'll find some with water and electric, but not a lot of them have sewer hookups, but they do have dumps on the way out.
That's
so
crappy.
Yeah, so you can last at least a week or so. But yeah, the Bureau of Land Management, they're awesome people. They actually have special programs where if you go there and talk to them, if you join a cleanup crew, you can get a free America the Beautiful card for a year. So it's public lands, it's our land, it's our tax dollars at work. So I'd encourage you guys to actually go see them, talk to them, see how we can all work together and keep our lands open and free.
Especially now because, I mean, as popular as RVs are, because of COVID, it's become even more popular, and so we have a lot more people coming into this RV lifestyle. Mm-hmm. We still have the same amount of RV parks.
Right.
Those don't grow as fast, and so being able to use BLM land or Harvest Hosts or a lot of these areas where you need to come in, but you need to have your own power or whatnot. What you're saying is, be prepared, use an app, kind of look at the reviews of what people have to say, because not only are they going to tell you if it's nice or not, they're going to tell you what you need, where you can probably the best place to go fill up your water, the best place to go dump. So you have that information getting in there. But most of all, what you're saying is be prepared. Don't get yourself, driving all the way in there without first scoping it out.
Yes, we've had to back out of about a 3-mile run, disconnect the Jeep, back out. It wasn't fun. So that night's gone. Pretty much, yeah. So how do I get out of here? Do you snap me out?
Yeah, ready?
Yep.
You know what? You're done. And my editing guy works pretty good. All right, so there you go, guys. That's your 2 minutes for this week. See you next week. If you want to be able to fix 80% of the problems on your RV, check out our home study course at the nrvta.com website. If you'd like to earn an income and create a business while on the road, check out our website at nrvta.info. Fill out the form and start your business today. Ready?
Yep.
You know what? You're done. And my editing guy works pretty good. But instead of me just talking about boondocking, I'm going to introduce you to Tony.
Hold still. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Hey, Todd.
Hey, let's talk about boondocking. I don't know. Are we recording?
Yeah, we got that.
Ooh, all right. Yes, I know everything. I know friends that know stuff. So this is amazing. This is a 200-watt solar panel. How many watts could you put on your rig?
You're so huge.
Why, thank you.